Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's K Christy coming back to you again with another video. Before I get into this video, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that thumbs up blue. Okay, now today's video I'm going to do a beauty store haul. Before I get right into it, I want to remind you guys that during these hard times of the pandemic, you have to take care of yourself. And I can't stress to you how much of when you do the little things for yourself, it betters your mental health. I, of all people, know about this. And why are people messaging me right now? Yeah, anyways, that is the little part that I wanted to say, to make sure you keep safe, you take care of yourself, and treat your little self once in a while. Okay, but getting into the video right now, today I'm going to do a beauty store haul that I got from Clore Beauty Supply. Now, for some people who know me, know that years ago I used to work for Clore. But guess what? This video is not sponsored, and I'm not even going to talk about my horrible experience working for this company. However, if you guys do want to hear my experience working for a beauty supply store, comment below and I'll be glad to tell you about my experience if you guys are interested to know. And hopefully I can have some of my friends who used to work at the beauty supply store with me be in the video as well, so that way we can talk about our experience and our journey, which was a hot ass mess. Okay, it was just terrible. Anyways, let's start off with the first thing that I bought from the beauty supply store. I'm gonna start with, I already used one package, but I bought these Wig Cap. This is like a Wig Cap. This is my favorite brand. The reason why I like this brand is because it has the band that kind of, it's a thick band that just doesn't move. All the other wig caps that I bought is trash. So I bought 2 packs. You get 2 wig caps in one, and I got the color brown. Okay, and it was 99 cents each, so that was a sale. That's a good sale. The next thing that I bought is, I'll just take out these 2 at once, is Dew Grow hair oil. Okay, underneath this wig, trust and believe me guys, if you guys see my natural hair before, my natural hair comes down to here, and that's when I silk press it and thing. And reason why is Dew Grow hair oil. It helped me. This is not sponsored or anything. This is my favorite hair oil. It promotes hair growth. It has avocado, shea. It has jojoba oil, sweet almond. What else it has? Wild cherry oil. Listen, it has a little bit of castor oil inside of here, but this grows your hair. For people who say, yeah, castor oil grows your hair, yeah, it does, but I feel like castor oil only thickens the hair, which I can talk more about that in another video, but trust me guys, you need to get this, which I paid $8.99 for it. Okay, so that takes care of that. This, I don't like to promote these type of things. However, this is what worked for me, and don't judge me. However, this is called the Ambi Fade Cream. Now, people are going to look at this and say, oh, it's a bleaching cream and so on. So yes, it is a bleaching cream. However, it is not intense like the other brands like Carol White, I think JG, Simba, or, you know, this is beginner This is just like getting rid of the little scars that I have. I mainly kind of use this like maybe around my neck. I have a few little scars on my legs, and that's because of just going back home. When I go back home, and throughout the years going bush with my grandfather, I've got some scars, okay? So Ambi. The next thing that I bought, and I love these, is exfoliating foot mask. Now these are the type of foot mask that, like, you know, when you can't go okay, as I said, during the pandemic, hard times, things are locked down, well, for Toronto at least. You want to give yourself like a little pedicure, get you a foot mask. Now these are the type of foot mask you have to wear on your feet for an hour, and literally you look like an astronaut. I promise you, you look like an astronaut. So you put these on for an hour, and then in a few days you'll see your skin peeling. Okay, but your skin peeling is just natural, like the dead skin. Cause like, you know, when you go to the nail salon and they have the big file and them rub your feet, and you see all little chalky dust or whatever, that's dead skin cells. This will take that off. Now I'm not saying my foot needs work or anything, however, you know, sometimes once in a while is always good. And I've got the coconut shea butter lavender, and then the peppermint tea tree one. This is $7.99. $7.99. Them teeth, man. Them teeth. Why? Them teeth bad. Chlor teeth, man. I don't know what I was thinking, but anyway. What else did I get? Oh, these are cute. This is the hat and face mask. I like it. It's a little set. You get, okay, maybe I should open it. Which one should I open? The red. This doesn't go with my outfit, but whatever. So this is the red one. This, I had to get these. It kind of reminds me of an African type of feel, where you put it on like this and like that, and then you put on the face mask like that. It's a vibe. For pictures, it's a vibe. You know it's a vibe too. Anyway, let me take this off. Yeah, so I bought two, one in red, one in yellow, and they're both $7.99. For the price of $7.99, it's worth it. It's reasonable. Anyway, what else did I get? Oh, I bought these. These are my favorite lashes. These are the iconic 29 lashes, and these are Beauty Supply Store. I'm wearing it right now. I probably don't even have it on good because I was kind of rushing, and my man called me, but anywho, these lashes are life. I love it. It's 3D angel and volume. It makes it look like you went to a lash tech, but maybe I don't even have my lashes on good because my man called me. So don't come for me in the comments. Don't come for me, eh? Don't come for me. The real Toronto accent just came out of me right now. Now these are some clips that I got from the Beauty Supply Store. $2.99. These are just clips that you can just put in your hair when you're trying to straighten your natural hair or your wig. You know, I like these. They're called the alligator clips. The next products I want to show are from, so I have a friend that used to work with me at the Beauty Supply Store. Her name is Karina. Well, I call her Karina. But anyways, she has a company called Treven Beauty. Now, I've been using her products for approximately, I want to say I've been using her products for maybe 2 years. If she's in my comments, then she'll probably tell you how much I've been with her for approximately, but I want to say 2 years. And she recently came out with this feminine soap. Claude Feminine. Yo, the Caribbean out of me can't even pronounce words properly. She recently came out with this soap. And ladies, this is a natural soap. Get rid of your Summer's Eve. Get rid of your Vagisil. Okay? Get rid of whatever trash Walmart soap you're getting to wash your cootie cat. You have to go with natural things. This is a natural soap, and this is not really meant for your whole body. It's meant for your kitty cat. Use it. And girl, trust me, when I use this, listen, it's only a pity I'm not around my man. It's only a pity. Anywho, so that's the soap. Then, but she originally came out with the Turmeric Soap. This is a natural soap. I promise, maybe I can insert some pictures, but this has lightened my skin. Okay, maybe I can show you so far. My neck here used to be black neck. Black neck. It's still black right now, but it's getting kind of better, right? And the reason why I'm gonna call it black neck is because it was dark. Here was darker than my face, okay? And that is something that I've always had growing up, had issues with, like just black neck. And I inherited it from my father, to be honest. And because when I was a baby, like my neck would match my face. So using this soap, it's helping me slowly and surely even out my skin tone. I love it. Plus my underarms used to be black. And that's just because of using those antiperspirants, like the spray. That's not good. It's really not, especially when you sweat. It's not good for you. So I started using natural deodorants now. I know this is too much info, but from using natural deodorants and using this, it's life, I'm telling you. Like my girl, she's onto something. This is her coconut cream, body cream. It's whipped. I've been using, hold on, let me be like those beauty gurus. I try to think, but anyways, it smells like heaven. The consistency, you guys, when you rub it, it just melts into your skin. And when it comes to creams, very important. If your cream is not doing this, then dash it away. Trust me. I use this all over my body at nighttime. And this here is her lemon turmeric scrub. I haven't used it yet, but I will soon. And this will serve as the same purpose as the soap, right? But this one, I feel like I'm going to more target in between my legs here, just because, I'm a thick girl, right? My legs kind of rub. So I will use it for that purpose. And that's it. That concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I know you guys missed the Jamaica vlogs, but I will be posting more of them. Don't worry. But by the time you guys see this video, Maybe another Jamaica vlog will be up. Maybe I'm back in Jamaica again. Not too sure how I'm going to position this video into my channel, but you know, I'm trying to be more versatile. You know, I do Jamaica vlogs. I want to show more beauty. I want to show how to do hair, how to do makeup. I want to do it all. I want to do story time. So sometimes you have to be versatile with your content. And I'm so excited and I'm so blessed that you guys have made it this far to watch my video. And I thank you so much for watching, and keep safe. Bye.